This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Scholar and signing in so your library and alerts sync across devices. Start with a focused query, main concept plus an author or year to narrow results quickly. Use quotation marks for exact phrases and the minus sign to exclude irrelevant topics. Once done, glance at the snippets and cited by counts to spot influential papers. Make sure to click the title and preview the abstract before saving, because that saves time later when you build a reading list. Next, refine using filters and advanced search options to zero in on what matters. Use the sincere filter or sort by date if you need recent work. Set an exact year range to exclude older literature. Click Cited by to trace influential follow-ups, open related articles for similar methods, and grab PDFs when visible. You can also use the advanced search fields, author, title, and publication, to increase precision. This helps you build a targeted reading set and identify core papers quickly. Finally, save useful items to my library and export citations in BibTX or EndNote format so references stay organized. Set an alert for key queries to receive new results automatically. If a PDF is behind a paywall, use your institution's library link or check the author's profile for a free copy. Sometimes a preprint exists. If you see few results, try alternate keywords, synonyms, or broaden the date range. This troubleshooting step usually uncovers missed material quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.